All right, welcome back to Live in 5 RC. Today we are at Ohio RC Factory. And not only are we at Ohio RC Factory, we are here after hours. We're here just doing a little bit of grudge racing. So, if you guys don't know, there was a big race here at Ohio RC Factory for the USRC Championship Series. Ryan Lutz was here, and a couple of other fast pros actually. The competition here was insane. Insane competition this weekend. So let's go back through the track here. I'm gonna go over a little bit of information from the Ohio RC Factory. We'll go up on the driver's stand, check that out too. But we're here just after hours. We give them permission to do a little bit of private racing here. So check out the driver's stand. As you see, we're still changing batteries, doing all things kind of crazy. But let's go up here to the driver's stand, check it out. So here's a quick look from the driver's stand. As you can see, pit lane comes out, comes off. What's up, Javon? Comes out, big little sweeper, comes into a quick little chicane. Chicane comes out, just another 180 to a big triple in the middle there. To another 180 into a little bit of a 5-pack in the back half there. Into a sweeper, come down, comes down, another quick little 90 turn onto the straightaway. And that's one lap at Ohio RC Factory. So like I said, we're just out here goofing off, having a little bit of grudge racing. But it is definitely a sweet layout, and the grip is actually really nice. Like I said earlier, we ended on ultra soft tires this evening, just because of the temperatures and B-main action for you? Yeah, B-main action. Like I said though, I mean the competition was really high here this weekend. It was an awesome weekend with some great. Oh, we got a pole. We hit a pole. I don't know if you heard the dome, but we hit a pole.
That dog was sponsored by Sweet Tea, or I mean Twisted Tea. What are we doing?
So, if you check out a lot of the track determined like where you stood on the driver's stand. So if you stood over here, a little bit further down the driver's stand, so you can go guys down there. A little bit further down the driver's stand, like some of the corners are a little bit harder to see. So you had to really make sure like where you stood. Straight away! Oh no. But yeah, if you guys ever get a chance to come out to Ohio RC Factory, I highly recommend it. You know, be sure to check it out. You can see them on Facebook at Ohio RC Factory. We're in Jeffersonville, Ohio. It's a great facility, great host for a USRC race. If you want, let's go take a quick tour of the pits real quick. Check it out for you guys.
Too much.
We're gonna go and take a quick look at the pits. So that's the race announcers booth up there. TVs to give you your times and things like that. So they have two entrances to the pits. There's this one here, and then this one over here. So you just walk through these doors, which says in. And this place is huge. So this place earlier was absolutely filled with drivers. Absolutely filled. You got power throughout. So like each table has their own power strips. So you have power all through the building. Best part is, man, there's heat. That's the best part, is their heat. Come through the other half of the pits over here. There's Mr. USRC, Rob Isaac himself, and of course Ryan Lutz.
And the dogs.
Oh, yep. And the dogs. So this is just the other half of the pits over here. See, nice and big. Of course, power all throughout. All right, well, let's go back to the track, check out some grudge racing.